Innovating from the heart, Strictlychartsfx is developing the first ever online trading floor in the Caribbean. Our mission is to empower, encourage, and inspire you with a skill set that will allow you to achieve financial freedom trading in the foreign exchange market. The services that we provide are our online course, aka Forex Blueprint, that will exponentially improve traders of any level. Our courses have a curriculum where you can get a brief outline of each lesson, read FAQs, check announcements, or leave a review. Lessons come up in 3 variations. 1. Text lessons, where we describe the full information. 2. Video lessons that are available in a beautifully dark mode. 3. Online slides for better understanding. Along with these features, each student will have a comment system where they can ask questions about anything Forex related. Our online course is structured in a way that prevents the users from advancing before they complete a specific topic, as we provide you with everything you need to succeed in a chronological order. After completing topics, there are quizzes available for students to check their topic knowledge. Quizzes are available in 3 forms for students' convenience: true or false questions, single answer questions, multiple choice questions. These quizzes are well formed to test your understanding of each section, and they also have a countdown timer. Traders receive a personal profile system where every user can have a customized profile. Students can check their course progress, continue paused lessons, check their quiz scores, purchase other courses or membership plans. There is also a private chat option where users can interact with any other user at Strictlychartsfx. We also provide you with monthly live streams and assignments. Lastly, members receive rewards for completing different courses and stages. Start your journey to financial freedom today.